out my mucus. Cause you know that be my slime.
I swear that girl, she a 10. Yeah, keep her around. I swear that girl, she a gem.
I really like this song. And I wasn't talking about parking over here, sweetie.
I'm parking up here because it's in the front.
Oh, okay. Oh wait, I'm thinking it's the other. I had to come to Walmart to get a couple of things. I did get my lashes done. They always look really thick when I first get them, but after a while, I love them. So I wanted to get my like travel size things off Amazon because I have like the stuff I need. I was just going to use my normal size and then put it in a travel size because I wanted like a really cute travel size little kit, but it's not looking like I'm gonna do that because I waited till last minute. So we're here to get a few things that I need. Oh, look at me. If you use Nair, which one do you prefer and why? All right, y'all. So I got the stuff I think I need. I got a lighter concealer. I think I got 2 shades of concealer. Hopefully they my color. I just put it to my hand and seen, but obviously my hand look a little bit darker than my face, just a little bit. So I don't know. So we'll see. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my makeup tomorrow. I gotta show y'all what came in from Amazon today, and I'm excited. My picture's gonna be tea. You hear the name of what the song's saying?
I don't think that's easy.
It's not easy, but you fell in love with me.
You almost.
So we actually came for my makeup, and I did get that. I got more than what I needed, but these pictures gotta come out cute. Now I'm here looking for Louis. It's babe. You having fun, babe? I ended up getting Louis a bed, and I don't want no squeaky toys. I'm not gonna cap. Yeah, that shit gonna be so aggravating. And you know I walk on. This is why I should have came to Walmart by myself. Cause like, what is this? No more. That's enough. That is more than enough. All right, y'all. So, Bae is putting this stuff in the car, and I literally am supposed to be up at no later than 4 o'clock and out the house by like 4:30. I haven't packed. I haven't showered and shaved. I have a lot to do, and I want to cuddle with my man before I go, because I've been at work for 3 days. But yeah, passenger princess, the vibes. Wabe puts the stuff in. Alright, so this is what I got. I got a new light. I had one, but I just got a new one for photos. This is for the phone. It clips at the top. I got this selfie stick, and this bottom is for camera. And then it also came with this, so it can be for a phone as well. But then I bought this one because I need one for my phone and one for my camera. And they extend, this one extends up to 47 inches. And this one extends up to, I don't know, because it's not up here. All right, y'all, so I'm done packing. It is 12:24. I'm probably just not, I'm gonna just take a little nap. But I gotta go to Miami, then I go to Santo Domingo, so that's like 5 hours of rest that I can probably get, so I'll be okay. Anyways, I'm done packing for the most part. I even put out the clothes that I'm wearing tomorrow, so I should be really good to go. Y'all probably hear Louis in the background crying. He don't want his mama to go because she just got that, but mama got a life to live, baby. Things to see, places to be. But I'll see you guys in the morning.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam?